Welcome to the lecture series on the data revolution, how data is changing our world. In this course, we will explore the transformative power of data and its impact on various aspects of our lives. Data is all around us, and it is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world. In this lecture, we will dive into the introduction of the data revolution and understand what it means for us. But before we begin, let's have a quick overview of what we will cover in this topic. We will explore what the data revolution is, why it's important in driving innovation and change in our modern world. Next, we will explore how data-driven technologies have advanced, bringing exciting breakthroughs and creating new opportunities. Lastly, we will discuss real-world examples of how data-driven approaches transformed industries, showing how data helps make better decisions and drive positive changes. At last, this topic will provide a strong foundation in the data revolution. You'll understand its importance and the advancements in data-driven technologies. By the end, you'll appreciate the real-life impact of data-driven changes. Let's start by understanding what the data revolution really means. What is its actual definition? The data revolution is all about the big changes that happen when there's more and more data available, collected, and analyzed. It means that we have a lot of information to work with, and that can bring about some really important and exciting transformations in how things are done. Now that we understand the definition, let's explore the significance of the data revolution. Why is it such a game changer? The data revolution is really important because it causes big changes that impact how we live, work, and interact with the world. It acts as a spark that ignites positive transformations in different parts of our lives, resulting in improvements and advancements that bring us many benefits. Consider the healthcare sector. With the analysis of large medical datasets, doctors and researchers can discover new treatment options, identify patterns in patient data, and make more accurate diagnoses. This can lead to better healthcare outcomes and improved quality of life for patients. Let's delve deeper into the impact of the data revolution on society and industries. From personalized experiences and targeted marketing campaigns to advancements in healthcare, education, transportation, and more. Data has become the driving force behind positive changes and advancements in various sectors. Let's look at some examples to understand its impact on the society. Here is the example related to education where there is a vast advancement in the process of learning. Education has revolutionized the way students learn by using data-driven technology. Usually the education has transformed from the level of classboard teaching, where it has been affected the performance of some individuals, so by personalizing learning experiences to fit the students' preferences, progress and also to provide growth opportunities. Online learning platforms raised by offering multiple resources and also interactive tools that allow for anytime, anywhere learning enabling student collaboration and individual progress tracking. To conclude, data revolution is an exciting time of change and opportunity. It involves the availability, collection, and analysis of data, which plays a vital role in shaping our society and industries for the better. It empowers us to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and find innovative solutions to challenges we face. In this section, we will explore the fascinating evolution of data-driven technologies. Let's uncover the milestones and breakthroughs that have propelled us into this data-driven era. It all started with early data-driven technologies that laid the foundation for what we have now. These early innovations played a crucial role in shaping the data revolution. From the use of punch cards and early databases to the development of statistical analysis software, each advancement brought us closer to realizing the power of data. Over time, we witnessed advancements in data analytics techniques that allowed us to extract valuable insights from vast amounts of data. Techniques like data mining, machine learning, and predictive analytics revolutionized how we analyze and interpret data, leading to actionable insights. Today, we witness an array of sophisticated data-driven technologies transforming our world. From artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things, the possibilities are endless. These technologies enable us to process massive amounts of data in real time, opening up new opportunities for innovation, automation, and decision-making. By this we gain knowledge that the evolution of data-driven technologies has been remarkable. From humble beginnings to cutting-edge innovations, data continues to shape our world. In the next segment, we will explore real-world examples of how data-driven approaches have transformed industries. In this section, we will explore real-world examples that demonstrate the transformative power of data-driven approaches. Let's dive into these inspiring stories. Our first example takes us to the healthcare industry. Data-driven approaches have revolutionized patient care and outcomes. For instance, imagine a scenario where a patient meets a doctor for knowing the health condition. Healthcare professionals can analyze vast amounts of patient data, identify patterns, predict diseases, and personalize treatments. This can be done using machine learning algorithms where it can detect early signs of diseases, allowing for timely interventions and improved patient outcomes. Next, let's look at the transportation sector, where data-driven transformations have reshaped the way we move and commute. With the advent of technologies like GPS and real-time traffic data, transportation systems can optimize routes, reduce congestion, and enhance safety. For example, ride-sharing platforms use data to match drivers and passengers efficiently, ensuring shorter wait times and more convenient travel experiences. It's time to explore how data-driven strategies have transformed the retail industry. Imagine an online store where customers start buying the products, enhancing customer experiences and boosting sales. Retailers collect all the information from the customers, analyze customer data to provide personalized recommendations, manage inventory effectively, and run targeted marketing campaigns. Retailers utilizes machine learning algorithms to suggest products based on what customers like, resulting in happier customers and increased sales. These examples highlight just a fraction of the transformative power of data-driven approaches. From healthcare to transportation and retail, data is reshaping industries and improving our lives. As we come to the end of this lecture on the data revolution, let's summarize the key points we have covered. First, we explored the definition and significance of the data revolution, understanding its importance in driving innovation and change in our modern world. Next, we discussed the evolution of data-driven technologies, from early innovations that laid the foundation to the cutting-edge advancements we have today. We also explored real-world examples of data-driven transformations, such as the impact on healthcare, transportation, and retail industries. In conclusion, the data revolution had a profound impact on various sectors, enabling us to harness the power of data to make informed decisions, drive innovation, and bring about positive changes. By this, we end the session of Introduction to Data Revolution. Thank you.